In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to set out additions. The first example is 56 plus 84. I'm going to start by writing the first number, 56, down here where I've got space to set out the sum. Now I'm going to write the other number, 84, directly underneath the first number. Now I need to put my addition sign here on the left to show that I'm adding. You can see how I've written the 4 exactly under the 6 in the units column, and the 8 is exactly under the 5 in the tens column. Now I'm going to draw a nice straight line before I start adding up. You may want to use a ruler for this line to keep it looking neat. Now I can start adding up. So I start with the units column here on the right. 6 plus 4 is 10. I carry the 1 and put the 0 down. Now I move along to the tens column. 5 plus 8 is 13, plus the 1 that I've carried is 14. There are no more columns, so I don't need to carry. I just write the 14 down here. So the answer to that one is 140. The second example is 68 plus 27 plus 84. First I'm going to write 68, then directly underneath it I write 27, then underneath that I write 84. Now I put my plus sign in and draw my straight line. There. When you're doing this yourself, just stop here for a moment and check that it's all neatly lined up. If any of your numbers are drifting out of place into the wrong column, then you'll end up with the wrong answer. Okay, when it's all neatly written down, we can add up the columns. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 4 is 19. So I carry the 1 and put the 9 down. Now I'm going to add up this column. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 6 is 16, plus the 1 that I carried is 17. There's no more carrying to be done, so I write the 17 down. And the answer is 179. The last example is 485 plus 696. I start by writing 485, then directly underneath it I put 696, then I put in my sign, plus, and draw my straight line. Now I check that it's all in line. I have a hundreds column in this sum, so the 6, which is worth 600, is nicely under the 4, which is worth 400. Okay, now I can start adding up. 5 plus 6 is 11, so I carry the 1 and put down 1. Now the tens column. 9 plus the 1 that I carried is 10, plus 8 is 18. So I carry the 1 and put down the 8. Now the hundreds column. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus the 1 that I carried is 11. So I put down the 11, and the answer is 1181. Good. Now you can print out a worksheet and see how well you do.